Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Orange color, pink color, red color, light yellow color, black color, blue color, brown color and light blue color. Let's start. Black color, A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. G for girl. G for girl. Orange color. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. Light green color. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for star. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Purple color. V for village. V for village. W for water. W for water. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And at last, a cute little smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And at last, a smiley for happy kids. So kids, if you hope you like my video, so please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.